Guys, look at the rain, Dad. Look at this rain. Look at pouring the rain. Rain, Dad, look, I can see. Look. Let me maybe close that window. I'm gonna start. I'm gonna focus it. I'm gonna go cut out of it. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go talk. I'm gonna. Hi, Dad.
Hi.
Look at that rain. My God.
It's bad. Mommy needs an umbrella today.
Let me zoom in.
Mommy's out there.
Nice up there. Look at this.
I know.
Look at that. So you can see, but
Oh.
there's a rain icon because I put pause on my videos, on my movies. I'm gonna open the door and you can come see that, okay? See, right there, it's Dad, say hi. Look at that car, look. Let me see. Oh, let me get the speaker. I'm have to chill out. There we go. Sorry, I'm out to focus. Look at this rain, look. Ooh, it's nice. I'm gonna check out the room. I wanna see the rain. So there we go. So if you see those watches rain like this, cause I think let me zoom in. This is uh-oh. If I'm gonna drop it, there's a car right there. And you can see, but I'm going to slow now watch videos. Look at it. You can see, but let me see. There is a water right there, you can see. It's gonna help us float like this rain. I'll be drunk, but look and see this rain. Dad, it just rain. Oh, sorry. This, excuse me. I have to my iPad. It's too stuck. Careful there, look. Look at the water, Dad. Careful. Careful, Dad. Good job. Dad, you okay? Hey, look at teeth. He's in the situation room. Okay, I'm gonna put a pause and watch the situation room. I'm gonna put a pause. I'll warm you.